chapter 7, numbers 21 to 100. So today I will explain this numbers 21 to 100. First we have to do 1 to 20 numbers and their number names. That's why we have to take it number 21 to 100. So first we have to do bunch of 10 things make 110. Okay kids? When you take a 10 pencils bunch or a 10 beads you have taken in one thread string, that is called 110. Okay, it is called 110. You see here, here's a one string and how many beads are there? We have to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 beads are there in one thread. So it's called 110. What is called 110? And how many beads are there? 2. 1, 2. 2 ones. 2 ones. So 1 tens and 2 ones make 1 and 2 12. What? 12. 1 tens and 2 ones make 12. Next we have to do numbers 31 to 40. So kids, here you have to see 10 beads make a 110. So here how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3 makes what? It makes 3 tens. 3 tens. And how many single in 1? 0. Sorry, 1 in there. 1 beads is there. So we have to write 1. So it is makes 3 tens and 1 ones. So it is make 31. And what is the spelling of 31? So kids, we have to write here 31. Write here the spelling of 31. THIRTY. 30ONE. So spelling of 31. 110, 210 and 310 makes 3 tens and 1 beads is made. Say we have what we say 1 ones. So it is made 31 and spelling of 31 is here. Now next is how many beads are there? Same we have to see here 3 beads of tens. 110, 210 or 310. So write here 3 tens. And how many beads are there? 1 and 2, 2 ones. Okay. So write here 2. It makes 32. And spelling of 32. THIRTY. 30 TWO2. 32. Next. Same. How many beads are there? 1, 10, 2 10 and 3 10. So write here 3 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So make a 33. What is the spelling of 33? THIRTY. 33. Same we have to count here 110, 210 or 310. So write here 310. And how many beads are here? Single 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Make a 34. What is the spelling of 34? THIRTY. 4. 34. Next 110, 210 and 310. And how many beads are there? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 tens. We have to write here 3 tens and 5 ones. Make it 35. 35. What is the spelling of 35? THIRTY. 30 F-I-V-E, 5, 35. Next, how many tens are there? 1 10, 2 10 and 3 tens. So write here 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 is there. So write here 6. So make a 36. And what is the spelling of 36? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. S-I-X. 6. 36. Next, we have to see here how many beads in a one thread. 1 10, 2 10 and 3 tens. So write here 3 tens. How many singles beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7 to make a 37. And what is the spelling of 37? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 37. Next, how many beads of in one thread? You have to count it. Okay, one time we have to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads in one thread. So 1 10, 2 10 and 3 10. So write here 3 tens. And how many singles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8 ones. Make a 38. And what is the spelling of 38? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. E-I-G-H-T. 38. Next, same. We have to count here how many tens are there. 1 10, 2 10 and 3 10. So write here 3 tens. And how many singles ones are there? Beads are there. We have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads are there. So write here 9 ones. So what is the number? 39. And what is the spelling of 39? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30 N-I-N-E. 9. 39. Next, how many beads are there? In 1 10, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. 4 10 is here. We have to write here 4 tens and ones. No ones are there, so 0 ones. So total is 40, 40. And what is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. So kids, this we have to know here. Tens are how many tens? Make a one bunch. And 31 to 40 we have to write here the number names and number. So this is a 31 to 40. Next is kids. Let's start the other exercise of this chapter, numbers 41 to 100. We have to do before 31 to 40. Now we have to do 41 to 100. We have to take in all these numbers 41, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Then we have to start first. How many tens beads circle you have to see here? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. So kids, here is a 4 10. So write here 4 10. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones make a 43. And what is the spelling of 43? F-O-R-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E 43. Next, we have to see here how many tens are there. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. So 5 10 is here. And how many ones? 1, 2, 2 ones make a 52. And what is the spelling of 52? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. T-W-O-2. 52. Next, how many tens are there? We have to see 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10. So write here 6 tens. And how many ones? Yes, 1 ones. So make a 61. So So kids, what is the spelling of 61? S-I-X-T-Y, 60, O-N-E-1, 61. Next, we have to count here how many tens? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10. So write here 7 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So make up 74. So write here 74. What is the spelling of 74? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. F-O-U-R, 4, 74. Next, we have to count here how many tens are there. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10 and 8 10. So, write here 8 and how many ones? 1, 2, 2 ones. So, make up 82. What is the spelling of 82? E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80, T-W-O-2. Okay? Now next, let's start with counting how many tens are there. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10. So kids, you have to see here 9 tens and how many ones? 1 1. So write here 91. And what is the spelling of 91? N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, O-N-E-1, 91. Next, how many tens are there? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10 and 10 tens. So kids, this make 10 tens and 0, no ones are there, 0 ones make a 100. 10 tens and 0 ones make a 100. And what is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay kids? 10 tens and 0 ones makes a 100. Set of 10 things make a 100. Okay? Set of 10 things is 10 bunches of 10 things. It's make a 100. So kids, this is the exercise of 41 to 100 tens and ones. So kids, we have to know about tens and ones. Bunch of 10 things are make 1 tens and single ones are called ones. So it is called a expand form. What it is called? Expand form. So this is we have to do expand form numbers. So kids, we have to do another part of this chapter. So kids, if you have any doubt, any query, you will be asked me on online session. Till then, bye all of you and take care.